How to turn off grid snapping in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me take one blank canvas. Okay, just take these presentations. Okay, we need to add some templates here. Okay, I have added this template. So if I click on this and try to move these elements, so you can see it is not, it's like not freely moving. So what you can do, hit the Ctrl key on your keyboard, hold it. Now just hold it and you can put anywhere you want. Okay, you need to just hit the Ctrl key on your keyboard for window, and for Mac you can hit the command key and hold it and just move these elements like this. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.